Hi there, it's Avraham from Reconvert. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up and using the product recommendations widget in your Shopify store. This widget is designed to help you boost sales by showcasing multiple recommended products directly in your store using the Reconvert editor. So let's dive in and explore how it works. The product recommendations widget lets you add various recommended products to any page in your store. Although the widget is available on all pages, please note that the settings might vary slightly depending on which page you're customizing. This feature builds on our original product block widget. So if you need more details on that, be sure to check out our main help desk article on the product block. You'll find a link to that article in the description. So to add the product recommendations widget, start from any page within the Flow editor and then just click on Add Widget at the bottom left of the page and then click Product Recommendations. If you're unfamiliar with the Flow editor, we have a separate help desk article to help you get started, which is linked in this help desk article. When you click on the product recommendations widget, you'll be given three options on the right-hand side. The first is an internal name that you can name this widget. You have the option to decide what happens in the event that the upsell is accepted. Would you like to hide that product or would you like to keep showing the product? Last, in this section, you can decide what will happen if there are no products to show. Do you wish to hide all the blocks or keep all the blocks? Once you've made your selections here, go ahead and click Save. As mentioned before, the product recommendations widget is an amendment of the original product upsell widget. So there are slight variations to what you will see on a normal product widget.
To find out more about the products block, please see our help desk article and helpful video on this. The link can be found in the help desk article for the widget.
In addition to this, as mentioned before, the product recommendations widget includes other helpful blocks like the image, product title, product description, price and discount, accept button, variant picker, and quantity selector, as well as the success and error banner and product details. You can find out more about these blocks by clicking the Learn More article in the help desk articles to dive into each specific feature. So the product recommendations widget is a powerful tool to boost your Shopify store's functionality and sales by showcasing the products that matter most to your customers. Follow these steps to set up the widget and customize it to suit your store's needs. As always, if you need more help, our customer care team is here for you 24/7. Just hit that live chat button on the page. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates. And if you find our app helpful, leave us a review on the Shopify App Store. Happy reconverting.